Hi, this is Jay Otluski with Phoenix Real Estate Advisor. Just wanted to go over your numbers for May of 2009. These are all hot off the presses, so I wanted to get them. Again, forgive me for looking back to the pages, but I haven't gone through these numbers enough to have them memorized yet, so I'm going to look back and forth. A couple things I can tell you for sure is that we had just one killer month last month. I'm looking at 9,290 sales in the Phoenix metropolitan area. That is our ninth highest, that's the ninth highest month of sales we've ever recorded since ARMList, which is our multi-list system, started to keep records. So to give you an idea, if you look at May of 2008, we were 3,653 homes above the sales of May of 2008. So that's just for good numbers. May was 5,637 last year. This year we're 9,290. Now that's coming off of 8,552 in April, 7,600 and 5,400 in February. So the sales numbers are continuing to climb. I can attest to that, and a lot of my clients that have come in town looking to buy a home can tell you that if you're looking, in fact, I'll have numbers here to quantify what I'm saying, but if you're looking at 150, 160 or less, you are now back into a multiple offer situation, unfortunately. So good news is we're cleaning up some inventory. The bad news is it's getting harder to get a great deal in the Phoenix area. So I go back to this, the top 10 months. So the number one month in the history, basically, of our, since we started to digitize our multi-list, was June of 2005, so that's almost 4 years ago, and that was 10,252. So we are the ninth highest month in May. That will get you 1,000 homes less, so only about 10% less than the best month we've ever had in Phoenix. Single-family homes were 89%, which is pretty typical of the sales. Townhomes and apartments came next. And they don't track prefabs or Geminis, it was too low to even say. So 89% of our homes sold were single-family homes. This is where I started to talk about what it's like to buy a home here, priced under 150, 160,000. Homes 100 to 150, we have a 2.7 month supply. So that means with the number of homes, which on June 1st there were 5,370 homes. That means in less than 3 months we could sell all 5,000. Now, of course, more homes are going to come on the market. We're still seeing a lot of foreclosures popping up. But what that means is that if you remember my podcast and things before, we used to have 8, 9, 10 months of inventory. We're down to under 3 on that price range. So 150 to 200, we're at 3.6 months of inventory. You don't get to double-digit months until you get to the 500,000 and, well, 500 to 600,000 is 11 months of inventory. Small number of homes sold. I mean, I got 187 homes sold, 2,000 available. So if we get back to focus on what most people are looking at, anything under 300,000, you got about a 5-month supply or less. Just in December, January, I was telling you that we had a 6, 7, 8, on this price range about 6 to 7, but we had an 8 or 9% overall inventory. So, you know, bottom line is, in fact, here I can give you the bottom line. There's 34,000 active homes as of yesterday, 9,200 sold in May. That means we have a 3.7 month supply, so under 4 months supply. We are now back to kind of a neutral market. Am I going to jump up and down and tell you that, you know, we have hit the bottom and happy days are here again? No. So please don't comment on my post and tell me I'm an idiot because I'm trying to tell everybody to buy. All I'm doing is delivering the numbers as they come out. And what this tells me is that we are very stable in our market now. Lender-owned sales, if we look at, let's just take that 100 to 150,000 range. There were 2,000 sales. 1,260 of those were lender-owned. 270 were short sales, which is pretty good. I'm surprised that that's so high. We have so many problems getting them closed, though. I mean, to get a contract is not a big deal. So anyway, that's that page. Bottom line, And in fact, before I go on, if you want a copy of this May report for Phoenix, just email at jay@valleyreadvisor.com, and I'll send you this out. It'll give you, all the detailed information about everything. If you're already a client of mine, you're probably going to get an email in the next hour or two about it anyway, so you'll be able to get it. But if you'd like a copy, just either give me a call at 623-271-4234, or just, like I say, email me and request a copy. What I'd like to say in leaving is that May was just an awesome month at over 9,200 sales. June is already stacking up to be that way. I've had a couple people in fact, I had an investor in over the weekend. We looked at a lot of homes in a couple different areas. They are selling fast. We did put in several offers, so we're hoping to get it. I've got somebody coming in tomorrow, which is June 3rd, and they're going to be in for 4 days, and they're looking in that under 165,000 price range. And they sent me a list yesterday, and there's already 7 of those that are sold out of about 28 that were on their list. So that's what it's about 5-10, it's about 20%. So anyway, bottom line is I think we're seeing a lot of activity. We're seeing some successes. We are not seeing the prices starting to climb, other than the bank-owned homes under 150, because then what you're doing is they're pricing these homes less than market value to drive 3 or 4 sales, I should say offers. And then the second to that part is that the agents are then holding these contracts for 3 or 4 days, sometimes as much as 5 to 10 days, before they even present offers. So again, you can kind of see where we're going with this. If you have any questions about the market, or if you'd like to come in town, or you're already here and want to see homes, I would welcome the opportunity to help you find your next home here in Phoenix. As you can tell, I keep myself well educated and knowledgeable about the market. I feel that's the best way I can serve my clients. So I make sure that I always am aware of where we're at and what we're doing in this market. And thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, give me a call. I'd love to talk to you. Have a great day.